Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the beauty family. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today we did this full face using only e.l.f. products. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see this and you guys said yes. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you definitely should, because I always do polls on there asking what videos I should film next. So go ahead and follow your girl so we can be Instagram friends. So if you want to see how we achieve this look right here that you see, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, you guys. I did a poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then what is you doing? But I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you guys wanted me to do a full face using all e.l.f. products or a full face using the Makeup Revolution. And e.l.f. won. I'm still going to film the Makeup Revolution, but I decided to do this one first. So we're going to go ahead and do a full face using e.l.f. products. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I already did moisturize. I'm going to go ahead and start with my primer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. So this primer is like a silicone base. So if you don't like silicone base like primer, this wouldn't be your cup of tea. So that is that. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my brows. I'm going to be using a cream eyeliner. This one is in the shade Coffee. It's literally just a brown cream liner. I used to use this back in the day when I really started getting into makeup. I used to use this one for my brows. So I'm kind of just following the shape of my brow. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the brows. To clean them up, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in the shade Light. So we're going to go ahead and start off with my eyes, because I usually like to do my eyes first before foundation. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the same concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set my eyeshadow. For today's eye look, we're going to be using this e.l.f. palette, and this one is in the style Mad for Matte. This is what the palette looks like. I am going to be taking this shade here just to set the whole eye. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to go ahead and set it. So my eyes are now set. I'm going to go ahead and start working with the eyeshadows. I am going to start with this color here for my upper crease. So I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and I'm just going to apply that to the upper crease. Do any of you guys own e.l.f. palettes? If you do you like them? Do you not like them? Would you recommend them? So there is the upper crease. I'm going to go ahead and darken that. I'm going to use the next color, which is this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my crease. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using the same concealer. So I think I'm going to stop right there so then maybe I can smoke out the end. Let me know down below if you're someone that likes e.l.f. cosmetics. If you tried it and you don't like it, it's not for you. Or if you really actually just shop for e.l.f. and that's all you use. I would love to know. I'm just curious to see who actually uses e.l.f. and who doesn't. I feel like lately they've been stepping up their game. I feel like they're repackaging, and then their skin line packaging looks really nice. So there's that right there. I'm going to go ahead and apply that eyeshadow. It's like a cream eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of the liner. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the edges. I'm going to be taking first this color right here, and then I'm going to go in with this one. So right now I am packing on the second color that I said I was going to pack on, just to make it a little bit more darker. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges just so they won't look too prominent. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face, you guys. So I already primed. I'm going to go in with foundation. First, I am going to be using this cream foundation in the shade Buff. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using a different foundation that it's in the shades medium/dark. Hopefully these match me. If not, we're going to have to make it work and just roll with it, because I feel like e.l.f. doesn't have a lot of shade ranges when it comes to foundation. I picked the closest shade that I think would match me, so hopefully it matches my face. So I'm going to go ahead and layer this foundation. I do currently already use this. I like to use this sometimes under my liquid foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one out. I'm going to go ahead and spray my beauty blender with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And then we're going to go ahead and grab some foundation and just pounce it into the skin. Do you guys see the coverage though? I think I'm just going to leave the cream foundation. I don't think I'm going to put the liquid on top because I feel like it's going to mess with the shade color. I'm just going to pack it on a little bit more right here on my cheeks. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer that we use to clean our brows and to carve our cut crease. HD Lifting Concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and use that one to highlight. Let me know if we should turn this like into a series where like once a month I do a full face using one brand. Like let's say for example, maybe next month I can do the Makeup Revolution, and the next month after that do like Maybelline, stuff like that. Let me know if it's something you guys would be interested in. I'm probably gonna do like a little poll right here so you guys can vote if I should do it or if I shouldn't do it, just so I know, because I don't want to like make videos that you guys don't enjoy. This channel is for you guys. To set it, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. loose powder in the shade Sheer. It's pretty much just like a no color powder. As you guys can tell, the foundation is like super oily. You just have to like really set it. I'm just gonna go ahead and press it into the skin, you guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set the face with an e.l.f. powder. This one is called the Finishing Powder in medium/dark, a basic face powder. I am going to be pressing it into the skin. I'm going to use like a brush like this that's like slanted so the foundation can be set and so it won't be oily. So the foundation is set there, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. We're going to go ahead and move on to lashes. For lashes, obviously we're going to be using the e.l.f. one. I'm going to be using 2 of them. I'm probably going to stack them just to make it a little bit more dramatic. You guys know me. These lashes are so little compared to what I'm used to. And I stack them too. So there are the lashes right there, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm going to add some of this pink color here into the tear duct to make it pop more. The only thing that I do not have from e.l.f., you guys, is mascara. So I'm going to be using this It's Superhero. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the face, you guys. We're almost done. To contour my nose a little bit, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. contouring palette. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my cheekbones to give some dimension. I'm going to be using this contouring blush and bronzer. This one is in the style Saint Lucia. And I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to go ahead and add some blush in the shade Tinkle Pink. This does have a lot of glitter, so you kind of have to be careful with that. I'm going to go ahead and add some highlights. I'm going to be getting this palette. It's the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer palette. I'm just going to go ahead and mix all these colors together because they all look so pretty. So we're almost done, you guys. I just need my lips. I am going to be using this blushing brown e.l.f. lipstick. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Mis Amores lip palette in collaboration with Iris Bailin. And I'm going to take this shade here and I'm just going to add it in the center of my lips. Just a little bit. We have to set the face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So this is the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you not like it? Overall, I don't think it looks that bad. Overall, I think the products work pretty good, honestly, for the price range. But what do you guys think? Is it a yay or is it a nay? Let me know down below. And also, like I told you guys, let me know if you guys would like me to turn this into a series, like once a month, do a video using a different brand. I would love to know, so leave it all down below. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the beauty family. And also don't forget to comment down below so we can go ahead and chit chat down there. And don't forget to leave any video suggestions, any questions, concerns, comments, anything that you may have. Go ahead and leave it down below, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.